Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making deluxe hash breakfast. And what you're going to need for this is 2 cups of pepper onion mix. You can get this frozen in the bag so you don't have to cut it up. But I use about 2 cups. A big can, which is 25 ounce of corned beef hash, and it's the only way I eat corned beef actually. And then 4 eggs, and then some shredded cheese. So let's get this going, and then okay guys, what you're gonna need to do is put on your you can do this in a frying. I got an electric frying pan. It's the best way I found to cook this. I got it set for 350 or around about that way. Or you can cook this on your stove in a frying pan. First you want to spray it. First thing you want to do is put in your 2 cups of pepper and onion mix. Get these cooking a little bit. And you just want to wait till the onions start getting kind of clear. There we go. That's getting it going here. Next thing you want to do is take your hash, and with a spoon and scrape out the rest of it out of here. Get it all broken up. Alright. Just get it real good mixed up in here. Get it all flattened out. And let it cook on the side for a few minutes, like this. And just make it, get it where it's a little brown and crunchy, the meat is. And then after it's been sitting there for a while, just take it, flip it over, and then all back flipped over again. Just flatten it out. And you just let it cook a little bit more, let it get browned on there. Alright, well guys, I'm going to let this cook for a little bit. and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, I've let it cook. It's getting brown, so it's time for the next step. What you want to do with this next step here is you want to get your eggs. You just crack them open right on top of the thing here. It's right on top of your hash. Set them in there. Gonna put it out in the corner. If you like, you can put more eggs in there. Sometimes I put more eggs, give it usually put about 4, but sometimes I'll put 6. And then for that, you just break the yolk. Let it get run. You just kind of let it cook and mix it in. Mix the egg in there. Get it in there real good. To let the a little bit of the egg white show. Give it a little bit more color. And you just get it all mixed in there pretty good. And just flatten it out. And let it cook. Give it a minute or so, a minute here, and then you just want to take it, flip it over, make sure the egg gets cooked. Just get it all broke up. Continue to get it broke up. And it looks like the egg's all cooked in there. Flatten the thing out. Again, get it all flat out. There you go. It's looking real nice. Yeah, it's puffed up pretty good with that egg. Alright, now that the egg is cooked in there, next thing you do is you just take your shredded cheese and you just cover the hash with the cheese as much as you like. And let it melt a little bit. You can even take the lid, put the lid on top of it and let it melt a little bit to help it melt. There you go. Let's take a look at that. See how that looks? That looks so good right now. Alright guys. Okay guys, so what we're going to do here, now that this is all done, we'll just take this up and plate it on the thing. Go ahead and turn this off here. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Let's go ahead and give this a try here. Good. Just the way I like it. Okay, guys. So I said, I'm just calling this Deluxe hash brown breakfast. I don't really have a name for it, but it's got peppers, eggs in there. So I really enjoy this. I eat it a lot. So well, take time to comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You'll see more videos like this, cooking videos, which I try to get out every Saturday. I also do some taste test videos and do some sightseeing and adventure type things. So I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching.